Hello everyone, and welcome to Your Normal video. As you probably know, if you've watched this channel before, or if you've seen other videos and you looked at when was that uploaded, I haven't done a full form video in a while. Actually, this video is probably going to be coming out after the simulation clicker. So, besides that one, I haven't posted in a while. So, to make up for that, I think I'm just going to try to fill in and finish all of the games that we just left to rot. But now, we're gonna give it a little spritz, see what we can fix up. Literally here. So yeah. Okay, hold on. I just want to make sure. Where are we? Because I don't remember anymore. Inner nature. Okay. 20 levels. Simple. Easy. It'll be an hour later when we finish, probably, based off last time, but yeah. Okay, I feel like I get those pieces pretty easily. Is this one? No, not at all. Maybe this one. No. Okay, well, this might take a little while. That's what I mean. It kind of takes a little while to get the right thing. That's not it. This one? Maybe? Oh, this one. Got it, yes. Okay. Nope. Maybe? Yeah. There we go. Okay. Oh, really? That is good. Okay. And pop that up there. Perfect. Oh, God. Okay. Got a big chunk to fill in here. Maybe pop that in there. Put this here. That does not go very well. Put that over there. That's not what I expected. Take this one and put it right back. That's it. Oh, now we're taking this again, putting it in there. Put this one in here. That's obvious. Oh, okay, actually, keep it like that. Maybe keep it popping. Okay, good. And then we just take this piece, put it in its place. And then final piece. Pop it in up here. There we go. That's 1 of 20 completed. Not that bad. Okay. Yeah, because I figured if I wanted to just finish games up, why not start with the one that doesn't really have much left to it? Okay. What am I doing here? Oh. I got it. Yep, okay. Clean all the paw prints. All the little paws. Almost got it. Is that it? No. Is that it? Move these over. Clean the rest of the paw prints. I assume we have to fix the coffee too. Never mind. Okay. Alright. Pieces. Oh. Okay, I got it. Just move the broken off pieces away. Simple. No broken off? Yes, it is. Okay. Clean up the paw prints we can see right now. Look at that one. Yes, it will. Okay, great. I can see 2 under here, but it will not register them. So we just take all of the plants. Just move them over. It's gonna take a while. Okay. Got 2 more paw prints here. Oh my goodness. There. Okay. Put that down there. Bring that up, bring that up, bring that up. There we go. Our plant looks weird right now, but we got the paws. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Hey. Hey, give that back. Thank you. Oh. You missed. Hey. Stop it. Stop. Oh my god. This cat's a pain. Okay. Alright, we did it. Okay. What's next? Oh god. These ones. So that one's obviously off. This one's off. This one's off. Oh, and this one too. I think that's it. No, there's something wrong here. This one. Okay, that should be it. Yes. Okay. There we go. Leaf clipping. Easy peasy. Oh God. Okay. I know there's probably several ways to do this one. Oh, yep, I got it now. It's the holes. You have to line them up. We're not gonna do that one first. Yeah. Actually, does this have holes on the front? Yes. Which one do any not have holes? Okay. Well, no. We'll sort by color first. Since, it's easier. Then we'll worry about the holes. I know it's, personally, I prefer to color. Almost got it. I think it's like this. Yes, 3. Shape. Oh, no. I knew you'd do that eventually. It's just natural. And our leaf went right after that. Okay, 2 more stars here. So we got color. I know it's the holes. Oh, hooray. Okay. But we should move it all up here. Oh, it's the end. Okay. Okay, so we know these 2 black end ones are the end. No. Just gotta figure out what is the other one. Oh wait, I just realized I can easily see which one it is. And that goes there. Yep. Okay. This one, I think. Yeah. Okay. So there. Oh, it's this one right here. Okay, there we go. And these 2 holes up here. Right? Yeah. And this one. Maybe? Yeah. Alright, I got it. This. No. Maybe it's this. Yep. Okay. Then this one down here. And that one. And then our 2 on the end. Red. And that. There we go. Okay. Okay. Something's wrong here. That one's not right. Oh wait, so... Wait, this doesn't make any sense. What is this? Let's go here. Yes. This should be it. Yes, okay. There we go, that's the holes now. But what is next? Is it shape? I feel like it could be shape. But I really don't see a good way to do that. Okay, so yeah, I assume colors first. Yeah, most obvious one first. There's a whole new one. Okay. Then I want my eraser, please. Just give me my eraser. Is the holes next? Yeah. Okay. Then finally. Oh. Okay, it is shape, and it's more obvious than we thought. Okay. So we'll start with, like, the... Oh, okay, yeah, that one. I think it's this? Yeah. Okay, so... It was this shape. I just really didn't want it to be. But it is easy too. So we're going, oh, these two can swim. These two can swim. This one can go down here. I think I just had it in. Yes, got it. Okay. This was definitely the hardest out of the three, since it's kind of hard to figure out anything through all the color. Anyways, okay. I assume maybe it's like, how do they fit together? Yep. And then, okay, so this one on the end. This one's on the other end. This is in the middle. That goes there. There we go. That was an easy one. That did not take much brain power. Let's see, where is this video at? We're at like, what, 11 minutes. Okay, the hour prediction might not actually be that crazy. Okay, we'll just do the obvious ones. And then that goes there, and this goes over here, ready. Okay, goes over here. Yep, okay. That one's easy. Simple. Alright. Now, we get into one that's probably a little more complicated. It's the shapes on the ends. It's a bit confusing. Okay, I think that's the edge. Okay, that obviously clicks together, and that clicks together. That doesn't make any sense, so this must go here instead. Great. Okay, maybe this goes all the way over here. Yes, okay. Alright, 2 out of 3. We're speedrunning this now. Okay, now I think it's amount of lines. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is crazy. And then 3 over here, obviously. But, 1, 2, 3. Other way. Great, okay. I'm pretty sure this was the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, there's something wrong. Maybe 8. 1, 2. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like it feels like I'm using the hints a lot, but it's can be very confusing. This edges, yeah, that's edges. Okay, last one. Because I know it's the amount of sides. 4. Oh, it's amount of like sides, kind of, but I was thinking the wrong thing. Okay, that makes much more sense. Okay, so I didn't really pay attention to how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Okay. So I had the right idea. I just didn't, like, do it right. I know there's a better word for that, but I cannot get it in my head right now. Okay. This is where we make creations. Alright, starfish, you're in the middle. You are front and center. You are the star. Literally, actually. It really is the star, because it is a starfish. That actually did sound correct. Right, you go there. Take that away. They line up. That's so weird. Okay. You go there. Move this away. Let's move it all away. There we go. Okay. I think those are lined up. Okay, there we go. Crab claws here. Put these little cone shells here. these little things up here. These will go down here. Oh, geez, this thing's also in the middle. Okay, well, move the cat claw over a little. Pop that in. There we go. There we go. Okay. It goes there. This goes up here. Stop it. Oh, wait, wrong way. Wait, okay. Those click in place. Put this up here a little. Move it over. Stop it. Oh my god. Okay. So put this like right there. Put this down here. Put this back down. Oh. Okay, this is also lonely. Move that over there. Move these out. Okay, this is getting a little bit weird. Okay. Put that in place. That's in place. Kind of. That's over. Put this over. There we go. Those are lined up. Oh my god, you stupid cat. He's so annoying. Put those in place. That's lined up. There. Got it. Okay. That was hard. I don't know why that was really hard. Okay. No. No, it is. Oh. That's so sad. I didn't want that one. It has its match. Okay. Start here. Let's work our way up. This is a misfit. This is a misfit. Let's pop those out. There we go. Okay. This long guy over here, he's a misfit. This tiny one here, that's a misfit. I'm just scared I'm gonna pull the wrong thing accidentally and then it all grows back. But we torture. I just got to. That's obviously a misfit. Another one couldn't even fit there if it tried. Is that it? No. What's left? Oh god. Oh, okay. This one right here. He is a misfit. Pop it out. There we go. Please tell me it's it. Yes, it's it. Why couldn't it just been that? That would have been so much nicer. Okay. Ooh, I like these. But what are we doing? I mean, eyes. Yeah. For this one is wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 15 boxes. Okay. I mean, yellow. It's pretty simple. Oh, here it is. Nope, not you. Just pop you out there. Here we go. You get it in. No, okay. That's unfortunate. Yeah, dang. Oh, that's it. These all in here. That's a ding. wait, do Google's out. No, not you. Mistake. Got it? Pop them into place. Yes. Okay. Good. Because I knew the eyes and the eye rocks went together. I knew that. That's about all I knew. Oh my god, another. Yeah. This has a match. That isn't gonna happen. Oh my goodness. Actually, okay. I'm saying okay so much. I don't know why. Okay. So, I'm just making a good front and center here. Like, moving everything I need to out of the way. No, you need to. You're a center guy. And you... Oh, those are two different things. Okay, never mind. You will go here. You will go here. And you will go here. Okay. I'm doing good so far. Rose. Wilting rose. Wilting rose. That's what they look like. Wait, little pine cone thing. Where's its pear? Oh, I see it. It's down here. Pine cone thing. Let go. There. Okay, I think this might also be another solo. There. I'm gonna move it up just like no, not that much. Like that. There we go. Okay. Put that there. Where's the other one? Here. There. Okay. Those are in place. Little eggshells. Broken eggshells. There, those are in place. Alright, we'll place this leaf here. This might not be a great placement, but that's what we're working with. Okay, click those in place. Actually, yeah, that's probably better. Okay, move those away. Put these little things in. I'm not really sure what they are, but some. Will these fit? I want these to fit. I think they do. I'm praying they do. Yes, they fit. Okay. I put the leaf here. The acorn thing. I keep forgetting that outer leaf is attached to it. Oh, wait. There. Now we just have to just move everything around a little. Put that down a little bit. There. Got it. Got it. Okay. Good. Okay. What's next? Okay. Okay, this actually isn't too hard. Solid colors. Easy. Just... There we go. No, I want you here. I want you here. Move this down. This goes... Oh, wait, no. Okay, so... That. This. That. Put away. Good. Yes, okay. Wonderful. Now, what is the other way? Is it like biggest to smallest? Because that's all I can think of. Like, small ones here. Big ones here. Middle ones in the middle. Yeah. Okay. This one I really... Yeah, guys, I know. I'm using hint again. But I really have no clue here. Wait, so... Wait, no, that's the color one. So, we did the... That's probably not harder, but that one second. What? Huh? Is it... What's the difference? Is it just a different rotation? Hold on, wait. What? Hold on. Black was here. Okay. We had red on the top before. So, what is the difference? Is red on the top in this one? No, it's... Oh, corners. Okay. I see now. We had them in, like, the top, bottom, left, right. We need them in the corners this time, like the solid colors. Okay, so red goes here. I didn't think they would do colors twice in just different formations, but I guess they did. So. Oh god. So, let's start with our corners. Like the ones we can tell are like, oh, this is a definite corner. Not that one. I don't want to know. But then it could be like a conjoined corner. Okay. I think this is a side. No, it's not. It's really not. Oh, this is a side. Yeah, that's a definite side. Let's get the click into place. Oh, I think I did. Maybe not, but... Oh, that's corner. Then that... No. Just no. Oh, this one. That'll be a flat edge. Yes. Okay. What is this green one doing? Oh, and that one goes there. Okay. We're making some progress. And that's where it stops. No. It's flat? Yeah, it's flat. I don't like that, though. Is this? I think it might be that one. No. Never mind. Oh, no. This, maybe? Maybe? I think that... almost. Or is it here? God, no. No, definitely not. Oh, maybe. I think that's it. Okay, then this is a good point to pop in there. It's got a corner. Because I don't really know if this is wrong. Oh, wait a minute. No. No, it is this blue one. I see it now. I think. Maybe not. Okay, I'll take that out. Oh, but then nothing else works. Oh my god. Okay. No. Because we've definitely made progress. Is it gonna get past this? I don't know. Oh, yes, it is absolutely gonna get past this. Yes, okay. There we go. Okay. I think this one is gonna just pop there. There we go. Okay. Maybe this one? Is that the right length? Yeah, I think it is. There we go. Alright. We're almost there. Down we go. Actually, maybe. Maybe. Or not. Okay, well, we have 5 left. Okay, that's obvious. And I think this probably goes in here. These things love sliding. Okay, yep, I got it. Got it. Okay. Put that in there, take the gem. Right, and put it there. We got it? We got it, yay. Okay, that's all I want. Good. No, I don't want to redo it. Okay, that's actually a good thing the mistake happened, though. Since now, see, how many? Oh, we only have 3 left. And what's the time? 55 minutes? Only half an hour. Wow. That actually isn't that bad. Alright. I'm happy with this outcome. I knew I was gonna have to stop an alarm though, since I saw it. The time that I looked at what time it was, I knew, oh, an alarm is about to go off. I gotta stop it. And I did. Apparently it was extremely quiet, much quieter than it really should be, but then again, that's for telling me go to bed, but no. We're right there. Almost. Okay, oh my god. So, okay, I think this is a center. Yeah, that's definitely center. And then, hold on, I just have a cluster here. Let me just stack up my cluster right down here. And we'll just take from it, see, oh, what's this? Let's put it down. Okay, there. Give 2 of those. And I just saw this. These are the exact same, so we'll just put them in now. Then we put those in. Then we'll just start with this one. Put it in there. Put that over there. That is new, so we can put it on side. That is copy. Go over here. There we go. Okay, that is new. Put it right here. This is a copy. There. Okay, this is a copy. This is a copy. And then these two are each other. There we go. Okay, that was simple. Kinda looks like a... It kinda looked like a butterfly. Not anymore. Now it just looks like a big ol' mess. Okay. Oh god, this one's hard. Or kind of. It's not, oh, let me rephrase. It's time consuming. This one can take a while since you have to do 3 snowflakes, I'm pretty sure. Please. Oh, yep, got one. Okay. Oh, I got one. Got one. I found it. Oh, got it. Yes. Okay. Only one more. I'll just zoom out all the way so we can see. Oh, I just saw it. I just saw it. Right here. Hop in. Please. Please. Thank you. No. Hold on. Go in. Please. Yes, got it. Alright, snowflake 1. Just 1. Okay. No. I need these. Stop going so crazy. I think I see the next ones too. Yep, those going. There we go. Okay. No, I know I need these. Please, can I have them? Please? Here, it's right there. Why is it there? Okay, I was like, why is it not going in? It's like right on the line. Huh. Okay. So I'm having trouble finding the last one. If you couldn't tell. Is it? Oh wait, no. There's a big cluster here. I see it. Or do I? Yeah, I do. I think. I'm pretty sure I see it. Okay, please just stop moving so much. Did I get it? Please. Got it. One more. Yeah. Luckily, 2 of the last pieces are right here. I just have to make sure I don't lose them. Alright, got that one. Got that one in. Only one more. Oh, I see it. Nope. Oh my god. Almost. Got it. It's a good thing we only have to do that one time in this series. I hope. It takes so long though. Alright, take our little red butterfly. No, actually no, not a butterfly, just a fly. No butter involved. This one. No. Stop it. Oh my god. Got it. Okay, snatch. You, thank you. Okay, you go there. You, last one. You go here. No, you don't. You go here. And then you go right in the middle. I just killed the fly. What fun. Okay. Oh, we did it. Near Earth Organizer is the next episode. Chapter 5. What do we got? Oh god, this one. Okay. Yeah, this will be fun. Wrong one. Okay. Yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this chapter of A Little to the Left. If you did, wait, no, not play, I want to look at the levels. Okay. Yep, there we go. Okay. Anyways, if you did enjoy this one, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button. And if you really want to, you can hit the notification bell so you know when Chapter 5 comes out. And any other video you might want to see. Like, we have... I don't really remember, it's been a while. But we have a good variety of games. We go through many different genres, so, yeah. A little bit of something for everyone. Only 13. Geez, next video is gonna be shorts, maybe. Maybe not so much. Okay. Oh, is this the... Okay. Oh, well, this computer one, that's good. If this is what I think it is, that's gonna take the long time. Anyways, oh, donuts. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did do all that stuff I just said, and I'm repeating it again for some reason. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.